Gardening is a joy, isn't it? There's something incredibly therapeutic about spending time in the garden, surrounded by nature. The act of nurturing plants, watching them grow and eventually seeing them bloom or bear fruit is a rewarding experience that brings a sense of accomplishment and peace. The feel of the soil, the smell of the earth after a rain shower. These are the simple pleasures that make gardening so special. The connection to the earth, the rhythm of the seasons, and the satisfaction of seeing your hard work come to fruition are all part of the magic. The anticipation as you tuck a seed into its warm bed, hoping for a bounty of blooms or a harvest of delicious vegetables, is a feeling like no other. Each seed holds the promise of new life, and with it, the potential for beauty and sustenance. It's a hopeful act, one that requires patience and care. But let's face it, some gardening tasks can be a bit fiddly. Weeding, for instance, can be a tedious chore, especially when those stubborn roots refuse to budge. And then there's the delicate task of planting tiny seeds or seedlings without damaging them. Weeding, planting, harvesting, our fingers aren't always up to the task. Sometimes the soil is too tough, the roots too tangled, or the plants too delicate. Our hands, no matter how skilled, can struggle with the finer details of gardening. That's where the humble thumb knife comes in, a tool small in stature but mighty in impact. This ingenious little device fits snugly on your thumb, giving you the precision and control you need to tackle even the most intricate gardening tasks with ease. Don't be fooled by its size. This little knife is about to change the way you garden. With its sharp blade and ergonomic design, the thumb knife allows you to make clean, precise cuts, whether you're pruning, harvesting, or weeding. It's a game changer for gardeners of all skill levels, making those fiddly tasks a breeze and allowing you to focus on the joy of gardening. Imagine a miniature sickle nestled comfortably on your thumb, ready for action. That's the essence of a thumb knife, also known as a horticultural knife or a harvesting knife. Usually featuring a curved blade and a protective sheath, it's designed for close-up, detailed work. Think of it as an extension of your thumb, giving you precision and control in the garden. While its origins might be debated, one thing is for sure. The thumb knife is a tool with staying power, loved by gardeners for generations. Why are gardeners singing the praises of the thumb knife? Let me count the ways. Firstly, it's incredibly versatile. Use it for weeding, planting, grafting, harvesting, and so much more. Secondly, it's a dream for precision work. The curved blade allows for intricate cuts, making delicate tasks a breeze. And let's not forget comfort. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, meaning you can garden for longer without aches and pains.
Know you've been a good friend.
Now you might be thinking, a knife on my thumb sounds risky. But fear not, my friends. With a little practice, the thumb knife becomes an extension of your hand. The key is to choose the right size and wear it snugly on your dominant thumb. Always cut away from yourself, using a gentle rocking motion. Remember, it's not about force, but finesse. Start with simple tasks like harvesting herbs or weeding, and soon you'll be tackling more complex jobs with confidence. Section 5. Thumb Knife Techniques. From Seed to Harvest. Let me share some insider tips on using your thumb knife effectively. For planting, use the tip to create perfect seed furrows or to make small holes for seedlings. When weeding, slide the blade just below the soil surface to sever weeds at the root. For harvesting, the curved blade is ideal for snipping delicate fruits like grapes and berries without damage. And when it comes to grafting, the thumb knife's precision is unmatched. Section 6. Thumb Knife Tales. Stories from the Garden. Over the years, my trusty thumb knife has become a talking point in the garden. It's not just a tool, it's a conversation starter, a bridge between gardeners of all ages and experiences. Whenever I bring it out, it sparks curiosity and intrigue. People often ask, "What is that?" or "How does it work?" And I love sharing its story. I vividly recall a time when a fellow gardener, skeptical at first, tried it out and exclaimed, "It's like magic!" That moment was priceless. The look of surprise and delight on their face was unforgettable. They couldn't believe how effortlessly it sliced through stems and weeds, making their gardening tasks so much easier. It was as if they had discovered a hidden gem in the world of gardening tools. I can finally weed between my lettuce seedlings without damaging them. The precision of the thumb knife allows me to navigate around delicate plants with ease. It's a game changer for anyone who has struggled with traditional weeding tools. No more accidental uprooting or damaged leaves. The thumb knife gives me the control and accuracy I need to maintain a healthy garden. Another friend, a seasoned gardener with arthritic hands, found solace in the thumb knife's ergonomic design, allowing them to continue their passion with ease. Gardening can be physically demanding, and for those with joint pain or limited mobility, it can be especially challenging. The thumb knife's comfortable grip and efficient cutting action make it accessible to everyone, regardless of physical limitations. It's heartwarming to see how this simple tool can bring joy and relief to those who need it most. These stories, and countless others, are a testament to the simple yet ingenious design of the thumb knife. It's more than just a tool. It's a symbol of innovation and community in the gardening world. Each gardener who uses it adds their own chapter to its story, creating a rich tapestry of experiences and memories. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, the thumb knife has something to offer. It's a reminder that sometimes the smallest tools can make the biggest difference. Section 7. Fun facts about your new favorite tool. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of thumb knives, a tool that has been around for much longer than you might think. Did you know that thumb knives have been found in archaeological digs dating back centuries? These small yet mighty tools have been unearthed in various parts of the world, revealing their long-standing presence in human history. From ancient Egypt to medieval Europe, thumb knives have played a crucial role in daily life. It seems our ancestors were onto something. These tools were not just for gardening, but were also used in farming and other essential tasks. Imagine the ingenuity of early humans who crafted these versatile tools to make their lives easier. And in some cultures, thumb knives are still used for everyday tasks, from cutting food to opening packages. Whether it's slicing vegetables in the kitchen or opening a tightly sealed package, the thumb knife proves to be incredibly handy. It's a testament to the tool's versatility and enduring appeal. Gardeners, crafters, and even chefs appreciate the thumb knife for its precision and ease of use. Its design has evolved over time, but the core functionality remains the same. In Japan, there's even a special type of thumb knife called a kagami kogatana, which is used for intricate paper cutting and origami. This specialized tool allows artists to create delicate and beautiful designs, showcasing the thumb knife's precision. Who knew this little garden tool had such a rich history? From ancient civilizations to modern-day applications, the thumb knife has stood the test of time. Its journey through history is a testament to human innovation and the enduring need for practical tools. So next time you use your thumb knife, remember that you're holding a piece of history in your hand. Section 8. A cut above the rest. Why you need a thumb knife. So, why should you add a thumb knife to your gardening arsenal? It's simple, really. It's a game changer, making gardening tasks easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a budding enthusiast, the thumb knife is a valuable tool that will quickly become indispensable. It's a small investment that yields big rewards, saving you time, effort, and frustration in the garden. Section 9. Ready to grow? Embrace the thumb knife. I encourage you to give the thumb knife a try. You'll be amazed at how such a simple tool can transform your gardening experience. Remember, gardening should be a joy, not a chore. And with the right tools, like the mighty thumb knife, you can cultivate a beautiful and bountiful garden with ease and enjoyment. Happy gardening, everyone!